Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to make a project using Arduino Uno. The name of our project is multiple LED patterns using a push button. So let's begin to make it. First, we connect the LEDs on the breadboard in the order as shown. Now we connect 330 ohms resistor to each of the LEDs to the positive leg of the LED. Here we connect the jumper wires to the LED's positive leg from pin number 2 till pin number 12. Now we connect a push button and give 5V positive and the ground with a 10k ohms resistor and connect it to the pin number 13 as shown in the diagram. The circuit diagram of this project. You can follow the circuit for the connections made. Now let's upload the code on the Arduino Uno using a USB data transfer cable. And here is the final output of this project. Now, as you can see, when we press the switch, the pattern changes automatically. We have made total 8 patterns. You can add more in the programming part. Thank you for watching this video.